Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you kabocha and corn chowder. Heat a medium-sized pot on medium heat and add in the melted butter. Add in the onion, carrot, and celery and sauté for a few minutes to coat the vegetables with the butter. Add in the flour and stir well to form a roux and deglaze with the stock and stir for a few minutes to ensure the even distribution of the flour into the liquid to prevent lumps from forming. Turn the heat to high and bring to a quick boil, making sure to stir every minute or so, then reduce the heat to low and allow the soup to simmer until thickened. Once the vegetables are at a point where they are just cooked or half cooked, add in the corn and kabocha and stir until they are evenly distributed. Continue to simmer until the kabocha is cooked, then season with salt and pepper and finish with heavy cream if desired. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.